Hi, welcome to Car Mechanical. In this video I'm just going to do a quick unboxing and review of a Ferrex power washer. Thought it'd be interesting to do because I needed one to clean up my patio. I wanted to see how it would work on the car. It comes with a patio cleaner, it comes with a foam lance, and it comes with a 3-year warranty. So I'm just going to do a quick unboxing, show you what you get in the box, go through it, give it a test out and see what we think. So it's all fairly neat enough. You get everything it says on the box. It's quite surprising, it's quite a small, neat little box. So we've got the snow foam lance. We've got 2 different types of nozzles. We've got the patio cleaner, which has got 2 jets on there. That's important. We'll come back to that when we use it. And we've got the trigger and the lance itself. Right, so just look at the top of the video and you see that the handle popped off. So that handle needs to be clipped into place. I'm going to come back to that later in the video again. Another thing, my hose went on this. I had to go out and get a new one, so I went out and got a new 30-meter hose, and this is everything hooked up. And this handle, it pops off, it doesn't click into place like it should do. Now I'm probably just going to epoxy mine into place, but it's not great build quality wise. So let's give the thing a test. So the car is quite dusty, I haven't been cleaned in a week or so. And I just wanted to get all of the dust off, and I let things build up because I knew I was going to test out the pressure washer. And first thing I wanted to do is just give it a rinse off and see how the pressure washer went. And to be honest, as a cheap pressure washer, it does what it needs to do. It removed all of the dust and the grime. So went over it. Then I wanted to try out the snow foam lance. Now the snow foam lance wasn't really great. It just kind of looks like it's a bit shampooey. And I'm not using a cheap snow foam here either. So the snow foam I'm using, it's Bilt Hamber Autofoam, and it's a really good snow foam that I've seen reviewed. Should foam up a lot more than this, however it is quite a good product, but I think I need sort of a lance and nozzle that's going to work a lot better, so I'll get one of those from a better manufacturer. So I'm going to show how it works as a driveway cleaner or patio cleaner as well. And it's cleaned up my driveway quite nicely here. I did this a year or so ago and it seems to have sort of come back. I borrowed a friend's one. And this is working quite nicely, so I'm using the wide angle nozzle here, and although I've sped this footage up, it's really cutting through things very nice and quickly. So we're using the wide nozzle here. I'm going to switch to the more concentrated one, which just lets you get to the more stubborn bits and pieces, and that works really well too. Now of course the last thing we want to look at is the patio cleaner. Now one of the big points for this is that it has 2 nozzles on the patio cleaner attachment, so we'll come back to that in a second. I think that this cheap pressure washer doesn't have enough pressure to make good use of this attachment, to be honest. It's sort of working, but it's not really doing much. It might be good for a wooden patio to literally lift the crap out of the wood if it's got any ingrained stuff in there. It's a bit less messy than just using the nozzle attachments, but if you switch back to the nozzle attachments, they cut through everything so much quicker, you might as well use them. So my thoughts on this: is this a amazing pressure washer? No. Is it a good enough pressure washer? Yes. Are the attachments worth it? No. The snow foam doesn't seem to be working as you'd expect it to, even using a good snow foam, and the patio cleaner attachment itself probably isn't up to snuff because of the pressure washer doesn't have enough pressure. However, when the nearest equivalent is going to cost you £80 to £100, and Aldi are really good with honouring their warranties, I think at £40 this is a pretty good deal. Hopefully this video helps you if you're thinking about getting one for yourself, or you're not too sure, or you just wanted to see what it was like. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please remember to subscribe, leave any comments or feedback down below, and more than anything, thank you for watching.